estimate is that there is over 100,000 units needed to bring the housing market into some kind of equilibrium. Generally, at the middle upper income, there is sufficient supply of housing. Where there is a real problem is at the lower income, affordable and achievable housing. And for that to be addressed in any significant way, government has to subsidize. And the way in which government subsidize has to be very carefully considered, because that could deplete government's capacity and deplete resources. So we have been doing the kind of support for housing in very strategic ways. We support the financing through very good terms for mortgages under the NHT. A low-income person is entitled to a 0% interest loan, for example. We have increased the value of the loan that a beneficiary of the NHT can get. We have increased the number of persons who can join together to purchase a home. We have created an intergenerational mortgage and many other ways to bring affordability to housing.